That's the purview of the Federal Reserve, just to make sure that we never have a recession and we never have a bear market. And the reason is, to be honest with you, you should know this by now, the Fed is in business to make sure banks never fail. And their assets are mostly loans made to either, consumers, in auto loans, student loans, commercial loans, to corporations, and real estate loans. And when those loans go bad, the banks fold. And the leverage in the system has never been greater. If you look at the total non-financial debt as a percentage of the economy, as of the last reported quarter from the Z.1, we are the most over-leveraged economy we have ever seen. And on top of that, you have the massive bubbles of stocks and the massive bubbles of real estate. If you look at the home price to income ratio, homeowner affordability is at a record low, home price to income ratio at a record high. And if you look at the stock market, total market cap of equities to GDP has never been higher. If you look at risk premiums being negative, and if you look at cyclical PE ratios, if you look at price to sales, if you look at every metric, we are in 3 gigantic, massive bubbles